Greetings everybody, welcome back to Onesixtyfourland with another unboxing. This one just arrived from Amazon today. I believe it's going to be either the D or the E case 16 pack here. So if anybody's following along with the channel, I just did the C case before, and I jumped on Amazon a couple weeks ago and I ordered all of them just to, you know, as a way to see what's in these 16 packs here. You know, it's a shot at a super, it's a shot at getting all of the first releases for the cases, and as I found with the C case unboxing I did recently, you also get a lot of the fantasy cars, which, you know, take them as you will, right? So let's see what we have today. So I think these are, oh, it's F case. Oh, okay. Oh, that's awesome. Cool. I actually just watched the Lamley unboxing of the full F case. So as you can see here, this is the F case. So this is the recolor of the Dragon Wagon. It's new for 2023. It's a very cool hot rodded radio flyer wagon. First released in red. Then we have the Yellow Submarine. This has been released numerous times. Okay. The DiMancini Veloce. This one is in this very cool teal with red wheels. This is a fantasy casting. I don't know what's going on in there. But it's very cool. It's a mix of, almost has a little bit of the Alfa Romeo GT-V6 that's coming out in the back here with some driving lights. You know, the pop-up headlights are in the up position. It's very neat. Sparko livery, got Goodyear, Hot Wheels graphics. Nice. All right, we have the Subaru WRX STI in this pearl white with pink accents, which is neat because in Japan you get the pink Subaru grill badge there. So pretty neat. Let me make sure I keep this in front. Looks like the tampos are a little off on the headlights there. So I'll probably hold off and not open that and try to get one that's got better tampos. All right, next up is the Track Manga, part of the Art Car series. This is a K, and it's got this, I don't know, pretty neat, nice gray color. It's very, well, it's very artsy. So we'll just put that to the side. Okay, next up is the Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. This one's cool. It's number 39 here. It almost looks like the actual Grand Sport Roadster. There's only one made. It's in the Simeone collection in Philadelphia there. And I looked it up and I can't remember. I don't think it's number 39 though. I think it's a different number. But very cool. All right, next up we have the Dodge Viper RT10. Perfect use of these 3-spoke wheels here in yellow with the black stripes. Now, as we've seen from previews, there's going to be a new RT10 casting coming. It's going to have side view mirrors. It's going to be, this one's kind of like, how do I describe this? This is kind of like smushed, right? So it's going to be better proportioned. But this is a classic casting regardless. All right, next up is, oh, it's blue. Okay. You know, I thought this was black. This is the 70s van. Again, another Art Cars. This one is the number, this is the number N, the letter N there. And this is the recolor. It was originally released in all white. So this one's pretty cool. All right, next one we have, I think this was gonna be the Super. So if this was a Super, it would have the metallic paint and have the lace rail riders, but still very cool. The Renault Sport RS 01. Nice livery to it. What do we got? The Roadster Bite. Another fantasy casting. Great for track, right? Best for track. Okay, we'll put that over here. Now this one I'm excited for. new for 2023, 75th anniversary of Porsche, is the 1973, well, it doesn't say it, but it's a 73, 911 Carrera RS 2.7. This car rules. There was actually an RS class down at Amelia for the Concours this year, and I wish I had this in hand because it would have been neat to have a miniature version. Look, it's got the single mirror on the driver's side there, if you could see that. It's got the 75th logo on the back, on the ducktail spoiler there. That's awesome. That is cool. Perfect. All right, another Batmobile. This one's in green, very unique. You okay? Here we have the recolor of the Escort, the Ford Escort RS 2000 in red. Another great casting, new for 2023. And we have another new 2023 casting. This is the 73 Honda Civic Custom. And as John said on his video, front, top, and rear deco. This one's got the reused SATA badging right there, if you can see it. Dope. It's got teeny tiny 3 spokes. That is freaking cool. Where'd that Viper go? Look at that. Nice. I feel like a lot of these are going to be gutted for their wheels. All right, we got 2 more. There we go. 2017 Camaro ZL1 in yellow. And finally, we have a recolor of the 2018 Bentley Continental GT3 in gray. Cool. All right, so that is it. This is the Amazon F-Case Sweet 16 box, if you will. Black box, you can still get it off of Amazon. They have most of them there. And it's a good way to get all the new castings released in that case without having to warm any doors of your local big box stores. So thanks for viewing. We'll catch you on the next one.